Welcome into the CueCast. My name is Rob Helt. Thank you for being here, and thank you for liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. It certainly helps us, helps the algorithm, and helps people like you find these particular lessons that we do here on the CueCast. One of the things that I want to talk about right now is something that happens when attorneys give you designations. Now, whether this comes from the attorney or the paralegal or the attorney down to the paralegal, however you get it, sometimes what will happen is they'll designate full pages. And so I want to get into this and show you about our merge page-to-page feature that's going to help you. But I really need to go ahead and get into OnCue to show this to you. Now, I have on my desktop a list here of designations that was sent to me for this particular witness, and I want to take a look at what this says and how this thing works. Notice what we have is we have page 6, line 4 to page 19. OnCue is going to accept every bit of this. But what I really want you to focus on is this area right here. Notice what they designated. They said page 22, line number 3 to page 22, line 25. Then they said page 23, line 1 to 25, so forth and so on, all the way down to 2614. Well, this should actually not be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 designations. This should actually be just one designation between these. So how do you rectify that and how do you deal with it? Let me show you. If you take these items right here and copy them, that's all I'm going to do is copy them, close down my text file, and I'm going to open the designation wizard. We're going to add a new list here. So what we're going to do is DL1 for designation list 1, and we're going to call this VAUGHT designations. Okay. Now, when we do that, we're going to choose the transcript that we're doing, which is the only one we have in here, Kevin Vaught. And then right now, I'm just going to paste in those page and line numbers. And as you can see, the designation wizard has already made those for us. However, rather than having to go in and tune these 5 designations, this one group right here should be page 22, line 3 to page 26, line 14. And that's where we have our action button. The first item on the top of the action button is merge page to page. Watch what happens if we click that. Now, what this did is it formatted everything to OnCue's format, and notice it took those and combined them into one designation. That is what the merge page to page will do for you. It's a really great tool to use. It works great when you have attorneys who designate by pages, and it will save you a lot of time and energy and headache and hassle if you go in and just get those set up, then come to your actions and use merge page to page. Now, this only works, merging page to page, when you have a full page designated. So I just wanted to give you that little tip, that little trick, using merge page to page. It's going to help you if you take your time doing it. My name's Rob Helt. Thank you for watching the CueCast, and we'll see you next week.